How to delete all Snapchat messages. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Method 1. Delete chats from the chat screen. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone. Tap the chat icon at the bottom of the screen to open your conversations. Find the chat you want to remove, then tap and hold on it. From the pop-up menu, select Chat and Notification Settings. Next, tap Clear from Chat Feed. Tap Clear again to confirm. The conversation will be removed from your chat feed. Method 2. Delete chats from Snapchat settings. First, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Scroll down to the Privacy Controls section and tap Clear Data. Then select Clear Conversations. You'll see a list of your recent conversations. Tap the X icon next to the conversation you want to remove. When the confirmation message appears, tap Clear. The selected conversation will now be removed from your chat feed. These methods only remove conversations from your chat list. They do not delete saved messages, sent snaps, or messages that have been saved in the chat. And that's it. That's how you can delete Snapchat conversations using 2 simple methods. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tech tutorials.